Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply buy a Steam game in a few steps. So let's start. So the first thing you need to do is go to store. What can happen is when you're gonna on store, you can be also in a big picture mode. Let me show you. Something like this, and you're gonna store here. I recommend not going here, but going to normal Steam account. So this is like the normal Steam, and let's just, I don't know, click on Far Cry 5. Right when I'm going to click on it, I can like buy the gold edition or normal one. It's like really up to you which one you choose. And now you're just gonna click add to cart. And then you can purchase it for myself or purchase it as a gift. So I'm going to purchase it for myself. And all you have to do, this is the last step, you just add here PayPal or WebMoney or Skrill, or if you have your own funds in your account, you can buy it from that. And let's just add, I don't know, PayPal or Visa or MasterCard. Add here your number and everything. So let me show you. I'm going to add here like whatever number, and then you just press continue and you got it. And this is how you actually buy a game. If you have any questions, guys, or if you have any problems with buying a game on Steam, write me down below in the comments and I can help you and provide you some guidance or support or something like that. I'll be really happy to. But this is pretty much how we do it. So thank you, everybody. And yeah, so again, you just click on the game that you want to buy, add to cart. You can remove from cart something. Again, purchase for myself or as a gift. And you just fill everything. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, everybody, and goodbye.